Alright, update on waves. So the nail in the coffin is here. It is literally done. I mean, the whole uptrend for waves is completely invalidated at this point. You're below all of your moving averages, all of your EMA ribbons, all of your trend lines, and as we're dropping, the bearish volume is exponentially increasing. If we look at your momentum indicators, we're only just starting a new bearish phase on your squeeze mom. What happened the last time where we went into a bearish phase? Well, you can see we're in a bullish wave throughout this whole period, and we switched over to a bearish wave on the 7th of April. Where were we on the 7th of April? We were at $30, and we started tapering this down until right here on the 6th of May. And as you can see, this was tapering down the last bearish move. The next bearish move has recently started in the past week. The last bearish move made us move down 55%, and as of the time of recording this, we are down, well, we've already moved down about 50%, but we're only down about 30% right now, and this bearish move has really only just started. And I do think we're going to move a lot worse than the previous one, because if you look at the volume we had here, it was nothing compared to what we've got going on here. So Waves is not the only crypto being accused of being a Ponzi scheme, because their stablecoin has fallen from its peg of $1. It's also Luna now. Luna is down at $2.15. Absolutely capitulated. You might be wondering, what does this have to do with Waves? Well, it just leaves a bad taste in investors' mouths. If Luna is breaking down, if I talked about this earlier as well, but you've got the Coinbase earnings report is down 24%, 23%. It's completely capitulated. You got blue chip stocks that are down 23% today, and Waves is only down 25%. Waves is a joke of a cryptocurrency, and at this moment in time, it's breaking below these lows. So in my opinion, if we do have this daily close below all of these lows, I mean, it is pretty much done in my opinion. This low was before we had a massive uptrend, and we've already broken below and made a new low. So I really only have one price target left. I've actually been talking about Waves breaking down to $10 since we were at $60, and I remember people laughing at me, or was it $60? Yeah, it was 60, 62.50. This is when we started making videos. People were laughing at me. People were saying, you know, I'm a bear. People were saying, you know, I remember having a bunch of comments saying $10 with laughing faces. People were trying to make fun of me, and they've all deleted their comments because I searched for the comments just to see who it was and if they're still here, but all of the comments have been deleted. So it seems like all the people who were super bullish on Waves are now capitulating and selling their investments, because you've got bearish volume that we've just not seen on this magnitude before. It really does seem like Waves is over. I do not enjoy being bearish, but I have to look at these things mathematically and from an objective perspective, using probabilities, you know, moving averages, looking at things objectively and taking my emotions out of these things. And we're bearish on every front. All your moving averages are bearish, the volume's bearish. It just does not look good for Waves. So you've completely capitulated. Every moving average is done. This Fibonacci is done. This Fibonacci from this low to high is now done. This resistance box, well, I guess we can still keep this resistance box in play, because it is going to be a strong level of resistance when we do come back into it. So I hate to say it, everything is gone. Literally, we need to invalidate everything we previously had on this chart, because everything is gone at this moment in time. We've only got this one trend line left, and this is a bearish trend line, and you've also got this low down here at $7.69. If we do have a daily close below $7.69, in my opinion, we're gonna get rugged to somewhere near zero. And you know, you've got projects like Luna, which are down 90% today, while Waves is only down 25%. And I understand Luna, you know, it lost its UST peg, everything's landsliding for this, but Waves is already overvalued at the region. It is at $8, $9. The fact of the matter is, you've got a bull run, you've got an accumulation range, you've got a bull run, but now we're back in the previous accumulation range of the previous bull market. It's just not a good sign. Everything's done for Waves in my opinion. The bearish volume is too much to ignore. So like I said, if if we do close below this green support box, if we do move below that, you know, 760, 770, it's just done for waves, and that's pretty much all I've got. You know, we've completely capitulated. Every time frame is bearish. Look at the 4-hourly volume coming in as we've capitulated below this level. I don't think the low is in yet, and we've only recently just started another 4-hourly bearish trend. So be very, very cautious on this. I've been saying this for the past week. Altcoins are going to get slaughtered against Bitcoin. I posted this 18 hours ago. Waves is down 25% since then. And for the whole past week, I've been saying while Bitcoin is between the regions of 34,000 and 29,000, all I plan on doing is DCAing Bitcoin. I think now is absolutely ridiculous to try and DCA altcoins. And it's proven. You've got altcoins that are down 25% like waves, and Bitcoin is at break even. I've been saying this, altcoins are going to get slaughtered against Bitcoin. My only trading plan right now is to make sure I'm DCAing Bitcoin at these cheap prices. These altcoins are here to go. I can guarantee waves is not going to be around in the 2025 bull cycle. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm saying it's going to disappear off the face of the earth? It doesn't mean it's going to disappear off the face of the earth. It simply means that no one's going to be talking about it. And I've made a video about this. If you want to find out, click on my YouTube channel, click on playlist, click on microdosing Bitcoin, and click on 2018 altcoins versus 2022 altcoins. And I go through all of the altcoins that were bullish and popular in 2018. No one even knows who they are, where they're trading. They've completely fallen off the face of this earth in 2022. Do I think the same is going to happen for waves? Absolutely so. I do not plan on DCAing this. Be very careful. Hope you found value in this. As always, Cowboy out. Peace.